Hey everyone, it's Sam from PaintScout here, and today I wanted to hop on and talk to you about smart templates. So, what they are, how you build them, and how they work. So, to get started, we're actually just going to head to our little person icon in the top right corner of our screen, and we're going to head to account settings. From there, we're going to head to estimates and then templates. So basically, smart templates have been enabled in everybody's account. So if you go ahead and create a new template, it will be a smart template. You can create a new template by hitting this Add New Estimate Template button, and you can go ahead and name it. So I'm just going to call this an interior template if I know how to spell. And then I'm going to choose this as an interior estimate type. So I'll go ahead and hit confirm. And now, like I mentioned, any new template that you create in your account will be a smart template, but you'll be able to tell that it is a smart template because it'll have this banner up at the top here saying that it's a smart template. So basically, what are the purpose of templates? Well, templates are there to make your life a little bit easier and to speed up your estimation process. So for example, if every time I quote an interior, I include maybe some information about my interior preparation, maybe my paint, maybe I've got a good, better, best paint situation going on, and I add those specific like line items to my estimate every single time, I'm just going to go ahead and add that to a template so I don't have to build out an interior estimate from scratch each time. So as an example, I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to select a line item, and I want to pull my interior prep line item here. So the first thing that you might notice is a little bit different from the old templates is that this line item and any of your line items and areas are going to be grayed out. And the reason being is because smart templates pull directly from your account settings. So currently, this interior prep line item is being pulled from your account settings. And if you want to make any changes to this line item, you're going to have to do it directly in your account settings. Now, with that being said, when you go and you build an estimate and you use this interior template, you're still going to be able to edit this line item like normal, but almost think of these items on the smart template as a bit of a placeholder, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add my line item. I'm also just going to add a line item about paint information. And then, like I mentioned before, I do a good, better, and best paint. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those as well. Perfect. And so this doesn't just apply to line items. Obviously, you can go ahead and build out an area, let's say a bedroom, just for fun. I'll just add the walls and maybe the ceilings, and let's do some baseboards. So I'll add that to my estimate as well. Now that I built out my template, I'm basically just going to head back up to the top and I'm going to save it. And we can take a look at what this looks like when you build an estimate using this template. So I'm just going to head to my estimates tab and I'm going to go ahead and choose new estimate. I'm going to choose an interior estimate type, and then I can go ahead and choose this interior template that I just created. So basically everything I just created in my account settings for my interior template, it's just pulling through here, and now I can go in and create this estimate like normal. I can also go into these line items now and edit them if I want to. Keep in mind, this is on a per estimate basis, so changes I'm making in here only apply to this particular estimate. And we can go ahead and take a look even in our like calculation. So currently it's using my hourly rate of 80. That's pulling directly from my account settings. So if you do want to make some changes to your smart template, let's take a look at how you would do that. So like I mentioned, this hourly rate is set at 80. Now I can go in here and edit it, but keep in mind that's on a per estimate basis. So I'm only editing my hourly rate for this particular estimate. But if I want to do it for my interior template overall, I'm going to head to my account settings. I'm going to head to estimates and I'll go ahead and change my hourly rate. Let's just say to 75. I'm going to save my changes. And now if we just go and take a peek at my template, so interior template, and I pull up my calculations, my hourly rate has now been updated to that $75 per hour. So I hope that gives you kind of an understanding of how the new smart template feature works. If you have any questions or if you need a hand with anything, you can reach out to us at support@paintscout.com. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.